Ako na yan. I need you.
I need you. Ayan nga pala yun.
Ito na yung favorite kong kanta. Wow! 82! Ito na guys. Ito na. Feeling ko kailangan ko siya.
Artista ba yun?
Ito ba yun?
Parang iba yata yung kumanta.
Yan yun.
Ito ba?
Kaya ano, mga version. Bagong version na ata yun eh.
Oo. Ano yung tono ito ba?
Mababa lang niya kasi. Ay,
Ay, oo. Ano ba yung tono na ito?
Yung chorus lang yung alam mo eh.
Alam mo lang. I don't need a lot of things. I can get by with nothing.
Ayun nga.
With all the blessings, I've always needed something. But I've got all I want when it comes to loving you. Your only reason, you're all my only truth. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. And there's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you.
ba't pala hindi kinanta mo eh?
Sabi ko ba?
Yung narinig ko nga lang pero di ko yung alam yung title.
You're the hope that moves me to courage again.
Correct.
You're the love that rescues me when the cold winds rage. And it's so amazing, that's the just and I can't turn back now, 'cause you brought me too far. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes I do. Oh, I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes I do. I need you like water. Naging daga. I need you. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. Tapos na. Yun lang pala yung lyrics. Nung saglit lang pala yun. Ay, hindi pa patalo yung katabi natin ah. What's my school? Wow! 84! Ayaw talaga niya ng OPM.
Ayaw niya ng norm.
Ayan ang OPM eh.
So, ulit.
Ito, I'll never... Ay, ito naman guys, masakit. Masha! Popo? Popo ba yun?
Popoy.
Popoy pala. Popo.
Masha yung Popoy.
You would always ask me those words I say and tell me what it means to me. Every single day you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. Matulog na kayo. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love I give, for you still hold the key. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. The end. Ma'am, 7 things, di ba sa'yo yun? 7 things to hear about you. Your eyes are all about us. You kiss out, hypnotize, make me laugh, you make me cry. I don't know which. Ilan kaya score ko? Baka 80 na naman yan. Wow! 81! Bakit pag-OPM 80 lang? Ah, let's go.
May plus 1 naman daw.
Ayaw daw niya.
7 days na kay Ma'am.
I-upload yan sa TikTok. Kasi sa TikTok walang copyright.
Wala ba?
Oo, wala.
But at times I get so scared when I think about the previous relationship we shared. It was awesome, but we lost it. It's not possible for me not to care. Now we're standing in the rain, but nothing's ever gonna change until you hear my tear. The 7 things I hate about you. The 7 things I hate about you. Oh, you're vain, you're gay, you're insecure, you're lucky, you like her. You make me laugh, you make me cry. I don't know which side to buy. Your friends, they're jerks, and you have no it hurts. I wanna be with the one I know. And the 17 I hate the most that you do. You make me love you. It's awkward and it's silent. I say wait for you to say, but when I need to hear now your sincere apology. When you mean it, I'll believe it. If you text it, I'll believe it. Let's be clear. Oh, coming back. 7 steps here. The 7 things I hate about you. You love me, you like her. You make me laugh, you make me cry. I don't know which side to buy. Your friends are jerks and you walk me down, you know it hurts. I wanna be with the one I know. And the 17 I hate the most that you do. you. Compared to all the great things that would take too long
To rhyme.
probably should mention the 7 that I like.
There's 7 things I like about it.
Your eyes are all mine. You make me laugh, you make me cry, but I guess that's both I have to buy. Your hand in mine when we're it's alright. I wanna be with the one I know. And the 17, I like the clothes that you do. You make me love you.
Kaya ko, sarap lang.
You do. Ah! Ah!
Tayo yata yung kumobra ng kanta si Ate Maylin. Wala pa lang.
Ano natin, Maylin? Kanina ka pa nagkita, hindi ka pa naglagay.
Na kinancel pa.
Kasi nga, hindi naman yun.
Ilan na nga na yung kanta na kinancel pa yung iba.
Ito na, nakakayak to.
Ano yun?
Thinking of you. Hindi pala nakakayak pang mga ano to.
Wow, waiting for pang mga pa.
Sa lawa. Di ba yun yun?
Dapat pala nagsulat ako kanina ng title. Nasunod, magsusulat ako ng title. Lubat na kasi ako, hindi na ako nakasearch.
Perfection like an apple hanging from a tree I picked up, ripest one I still got the seed. You said move on, where do I go? I guess second best is all I will know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your eyes.
Well, takbo ni Diyos pala yan eh. Joke lang. Oo, kasi hindi ba yung ano yung kaya nyo?
You're like an Indian summer in the middle of a winter, like a hard candy with a surprise center. How do I get better once I've had the best? You said there's a fish in the water, so the waters I will take. Kiss my lips, I taste your mouth. Oh, he pulled me in, I was disgusted with myself. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your the best. And yes, I do regret how I could let myself let you go. Now the lessons learned, I touched how I was burned. Oh, I think you should know, 'cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your eyes.
Ang dami pa natin nata 11. Ilan pa ba yung sa'yo dyan?
Wow,
84! Ikaw na!
Ako na ba yun?
Ikaw na, dating ganang top as yan. Kaya tunay na yan.
Hindi na ba?
Ito na yung kanta mo. Dalawa na yata yung kinancel niya sa kanta niya eh.
Hindi isa lang
Ay,
yun.
isa lang ba yun? Ano ba yun? Starship ba yun?
Starship ba
Pili
yun?
ko parang
Commander?
yung lumakanta.
Ayan nga!
Ay! Ay! Ano ba yun? Kamusta ba yun? In-upload mo na picture namin. Oo, hindi mo marinig. Hindi mo pa na-upload na.
Tapos na sa kabila?
Hindi. Nila ko na tinatulak na.
Looking in your eyes, the paradise is more than I have. It's too good to be true.
Oh, di ba?
Wow! 91! Naka-91 pa siya.
Hindi ka kakamanta pero 91. Dapat pala di tayo kakanta.
Wow! Mga pag-probinsya! Shout out!
I control, I leave you with the plan.
Ay, pala sulitin mo na.
Leaving the time, is a little package I'll hold in my hand. I got it together, they call me the girl who was just once and clear. Single and cool, run into the wall, 'cause when it comes to you, there's another woman alive. Kid of school, fire out control, just another fool. Touch me and I breathe, and a feather in the wind. And I wait for feel you touch me again.
Wow!
Yes, another woman, yes, another woman alive. Pardon me if I should still tremble like a child. Planting wood all over your face is driving me wild. Here's what you make and read it through as it pulls my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my one. Tonight I wanna be, I'm just another woman in love. A kid of school, a fire not control, just another fool. You touch me, I'm free, and a feather in the wind. And I can wait for feel you touch me again. Just another woman, just another woman in love. The woman in love, a kid of school, a fire out control, just another fool. Touch me and ring, and then a feather in the wind. And I can't wait for feel you touch me again. I'm just another woman, just another woman alive.
Ano na yung sunod? Baka na lahat. Yan. Next,
Yun na
next,
yata
next.
lahat yung tinuod.
Di yan.
Wow! 84 from 90.
Ang lamig ka! Ayun na yan. Nag-circulate na yung lamig. Para sa akin na ba ito lahat?
Oo. Kahit kaibigan lang. Sino yan? Antonetos.
Ayun.
Hindi ko alam kung alam yan. Ano ba yan?
Hindi ka titignan
Alam
natin
mo
yung
yan,
lyrics.
pagka kinanta mo na. O pagka kinanta mo na, alam mo na.
Isang mata na sulat.
Ang isang mata akin yun. Ayan na, naman na lang.
Lima na lang. 8 pa eh. Ayun no.
Ayan, ano yun?
Hindi eh.
Iba ba yan?
Oh, di.
Ayan ba yan?
Hindi, iba
Wala
yung
yan.
kumante. Stop. Ay, mali ba? Oh, next.
Isang mata. Guys, 7 songs.
7 pa.
7. Girl, nakakatawa naman yung akin. Parang uminit, girl.
Hindi, malamig na dito.
Ah, malamig ba?
Oo, kasi nakaano kayo.
Nitong umaga lang. Ay, wala kang pinatay
Sorry naman.
matang hayop kong tumingin. Nitong umaga lang, pagkagaling
Ano
Ko alam.
Matay mo, friend.
7 na lang, di ba?
Hindi, yung 7 things na kanina. Yung kanina.
Ah, yun na. 7 pa.
Ba't kaya naulit?
Ulit na napindot ulit.
May duplicate
Kani-kanina
ba dyan?
lang. Wala.
Wala naman.
Pagkaganda-ganda
baka
ng
naano, mas
pagkasabi. Hello. Sana'y tayo na nga. Okay na nga. Hello? Kani-kanina lang. Pagkasaya-saya ng buhay kong bigla na lamang nag-iba. O kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sinta. Daig mo pang isang mata. Kanina'y nariyan lang ko ba? Bigla naman nawala. Daig mo pang isang mata. Haba pala ng ano nito. Nitong umaga lang, pagkalambing-lambing. Nitong umaga lang, pagkagaling-galing. Iba pa lang. Kani-kanina lang, pagkaganda-ganda. Kani-kanina lang, pagkasaya-saya. Saya. O kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sila. Daig mo pang isang mata. Kanina'y nariyan lang o ba? Bigla naman nawala. Daig mo pang isang mata. The end. Guys, next na. Tapusin ba natin, guys? 9 na eh.
Kasi na.
Wow, 86.